Hello, friends, and not yet friends. Welcome back to Mary's Test Kitchen, where I couldn't come back with my planned recipe videos without doing something to recognize the important fight that's happening. Black Lives Matter, and that's that. It shouldn't be controversial. Like, this should be more controversial. Lemon in coffee? Yay or nay? Leave your opinions in the comments below. With all that's been going on, the pain we've been seeing and feeling, are we even hungry? I know that some people can't eat when stressed or sad or angry, which in all honesty, I'm feeling those feelings. But I'm not one of those people. I eat my feelings. So I'm having instant noodles for breakfast. At least Nongshim veggie instant noodles will never let me down. I always feel better after noodles. It's a comforting mix of nostalgia and carbs. What does that for you? Let me know in the comments below. For lunch, I made it a bit more nutritious with this spinach salad with blackened chickpeas from Chef Brian Terry's latest cookbook, Vegetable Kingdom. You may remember him from the review I did of an earlier cookbook from him, Afro Vegan, which, by the way, was awesome, and you should probably get both of these. Anyways, I knew from that experience that his recipes would never let me down either. Turns out my boyfriend had to go out for work stuff, so ended up these 2 plates were for me. No problem. At all. And these chickpeas were too addictive. By mid-afternoon, I ate them all. About 3 cups of cooked chickpeas in total. That's what I call efficient. But then I wasn't really hungry for a real dinner after that, just kind of a snack wrap made with odds and ends from the fridge. And honestly, even though it looks pretty good, I accidentally added way too much white pepper because it was a new bottle and I wasn't used to the shaker lid, so it wasn't great, but I ate it anyways. Of course, I had to make up for that with something great, like cookies, the chewiest chocolate chip cookies made with only 5 ingredients, and none of them are flour. Can you believe it? But sorry guys, I gotta censor the ingredients because you have to get the recipe from Jessica in the kitchen. Link is below for your convenience. She is such a brilliant recipe creator with a gorgeous blog. She really gives great instructions, which I read thoroughly, but sometimes when I don't want to wash a baking sheet, I ignore said instructions. So after I put these lovely balls in the oven for 13 minutes, they became one giant cookie. But one giant delicious cookie with crispy edges. It's like a candy bar in cookie form. There is a light flavor of banana and reminds me slightly of those banana marshmallow candies. You ever had those? And with just the right ratio of chocolate chips, you've got to try this recipe. It was so easy and so good. You probably have the ingredients already. You'd think that was enough sugar for the day, but it was not. I just tried these for the first time. They look super legit, and they're pretty good. But next time I want to buy overpriced vegan ice cream, I'm gonna get Ben & Jerry's. Those who know why, know why. And that was my food day. Go watch the 13th if you haven't already. It's a really, really important documentary that will help you get up to speed on why the fight for justice, especially for Black lives, is what we all need right now. Check out the other links I left for more resources and ways to support. As for me, I'm trying to do my best to use my platform for awareness, and the AdSense from this video is going to the NAACP Legal Defense and Education Fund as a start. I feel like there is a lot for me to learn about what to do, and I do appreciate if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching to the end and generally being awesome. Please be kind to yourself and stay safe and well. Coming up, I made an easier version of my original vegan milk bread and then made Korean 6-sided cream cheese garlic bread with it. So please subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more easy vegan recipes and maybe turn on those notifications. Until next time, bye for now.